Welcome! In this video, I'll walk you through the process of filling out and submitting a Bookmakers Permit application using the GMIS system. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into the GMIS customer portal using either your Google or Microsoft account. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to your main dashboard. On the dashboard, locate the Select an Action section and click Make an Application. From there, navigate to the betting sector, then select Bookmakers Permit from the list. In this section, you'll need to select the legal entity applying for the permit. You'll now be asked to indicate whether this application is being managed by a representative. Simply select yes or no based on your situation. You can save your progress at any point by clicking the green button. When you do, the system will assign an application number for tracking purposes. Before proceeding, please ensure that you have the correct fit and proper certification in place. This is a requirement before you can apply for a Bookmakers Permit. So once that's sorted, click Next to move forward. Questions section. Take your time to read and answer each question accurately. Once complete, click Save, then Next to continue. Now we're in the Documents section. You'll see a list of required documents under attachment types. Each item that's required will have a tick mark beside it. To upload documents, click the plus icon under the Upload column. Once done, click Next. Application Summary and Payment. This section shows a summary of your application along with the associated fees. Check the declaration checkbox, then select one of two options. Pay and Submit will bring you to the pay gate to make your payment. And if you're not ready to make the payment, select Add to Payments and come back to it later. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you need help at any point, feel free to reach out to our support team.